Please pay attention to this. Put the pork belly in the pot and steam it. It is a very delicious special dish. The recipe is very simple and it is more enjoyable than eating braised pork. First, prepare 15 yuan worth of pork belly. Put it in warm water and clean it, then place it in the steamer. Cover the lid with water and steam it on high heat for 30 minutes. Steamed pork belly should be easily pierced with chopsticks. Then, take it out. Prepare a few toothpicks and poke 49 small holes on the surface of the pork skin. Then, apply a layer of dark soy sauce on the surface to enhance the color. After applying it evenly, let it sit for 10 minutes. Next, pour a little more cooking oil into the pot. Place the pork in the pot with the skin facing down, then cover the lid. Fry on medium-low heat for about 5 minutes until the skin turns golden. Then turn off the heat. When the oil in the pot has cooled, take the pork out. Take a look at this beautiful color. Then soak the pork skin in cold water for about half an hour. Take it out and cut it into 0.5 centimeter thin slices. Friends, I share a simple home food tutorial every day. If this helps you, please like and forward it. Thank you very much. After cutting, place the pork slices in a large bowl. Season with light soy sauce, oyster sauce, dark soy sauce, salt, sugar, pepper powder, and 5-spice powder. Mix well and marinate for 10 minutes. Meanwhile, prepare a pack of Shaoxing Mei Gan Cai. Take 2 portions and put them in a large bowl. Pour in some warm water and soak for a few minutes. After soaking, wash them several times, drain the water, and place them on a plate. Heat oil in a wok. Add green onion, ginger, and garlic, then put in the Mei Gan Cai. Add a little sugar for extra flavor and seasoning powder, stirring slowly until fragrant. Next, prepare a large bowl. Arrange the marinated pork belly neatly in the bowl. Note that the skin must be facing down. Then, spread the fried Mei Gan Cai evenly on top. Place it in a steamer and steam it over high heat for about an hour. After steaming, take it out. Put a plate on top, turn it upside down, and remove the bowl. Take a look. Very beautiful. Sprinkle a handful of fresh green onions on top. A very delicious braised pork belly is ready. If you learn this dish, you can impress everyone at the New Year's dinner table. The whole family will praise you as a chef. That's all for today's video. If you like it, try making it at home.